What's up, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willis Garage. Got a pretty fun project for us today. We're going to be preparing the koi pond for fall. There's quite a few trees up above this koi pond that make a mess, and it is not fun to clean up. So what we're going to be doing is putting a net over this joker. What I've done is I've laid out the last few things we're going to need for this process. One of those is a net to clean out any leaves that have already gotten in your pond. If you're luckier than me, you may have none, but I do like to give it a cleaning before I put the net on. If you're going to be feeding your fish, I've got 5 koi, pretty decent size. I'll give them a last final feeding. The way to figure that out, guys, is to measure your water temperature. So as you can see on this little gun, if I point in there, we're at about 58 degrees. So I'm going to put a link in the description where you can get one of these. This particular model is an Eastwood, and I'll put one for the Eastwood if I can find it, and I'll also put an inexpensive one as well. Alright, so what we're going to do is go ahead and feed the fish. As you can see, I just spilt the fish food everywhere. Dang it. The dogs love it. I'm going to have to clean that up. So go ahead and give your fish a little food depending on the time of the year, and enjoy watching them for a little bit. You're only going to feed them until it gets down to 50 degrees. So after it hits 50 degrees, stop feeding them until next year. You can refer to another video to find out how to de-winterize your pond. Alright guys, so as the dogs eat the fish food, I'm going to get you set up. The net that we're going to be putting on today is this product here. It's called a rain leaf, and I went with a 14 by 20. Just measure your pond out, make sure you have enough. Now this product itself comes with some nice little anchors as well, and it is extremely cheap. Check out the link. It's less than 20 bucks, and it's going to save you so much time. So let me go ahead and get started with the process. So now that we have the pond pretty cleaned out, it's a good idea to go ahead and give our basket a cleaning. It's kind of a little stick caught in there. There we go. All right, so I'm about to mulch this entire area, so it doesn't really matter where I put it because it's gonna get covered with mulch. And on top of our basket, we're gonna want to also clean out our filter. See how dirty this can get? All right, so just put your water hose on the highest setting. You can also use a pressure washer for this. It's helpful also if you take it out of the basket, but I clean this one out pretty regularly. Although it does look super dirty for me moving all that sediment around. But for video purposes, get it as clean as you want. As clean as you want. So now we're going to put our filter back in our pond pump area. And put the cover back on. Alright guys, it's time for our netting. So I've got you at the top of the pond, and as you can see, it's pretty dirty from me cleaning it. It will straighten out once the water filters through. So I'm just going to show you a sped up version of me trying to figure this net out and how it's going to go perfectly. And I'm going to be anchoring it in along the way, which you'll see. So I'll show you bits and pieces of that to keep the video rolling. There you have it. This pond will not get a leaf in it, I hope. And you still can't even see the netting when you're far enough away, so it looks presentable. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to check out that netting in the product description. I would appreciate it if you use that link if you need this product. Appreciate you supporting BT Willis Garage.